That's a good one.
Might be a northern.
That is not a crappie.
It probably is a northern. That's probably why we didn't catch any crappies for a while. Just watch your line on the ice. I can see him. not gaining any ground.
Not at all. I got like 10-pound line on here, so. Or 8
I
pound.
wouldn't crank it up too much.
Oh, I see him. He's pretty big. Yeah, it's a big northern. It's the biggest one I've pulled through the ice for sure.
It's a nice one.
Should we keep it?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a good northern.
Looks like it's an evening crappie bite. The best in the evening.
That was kind of funny. Like double, sure, but when you set the hook at the exact same time.